PDF files have become an integral part of our lives. They contain sensitive information related to finance, health, and more. However, by default, PDFs are not protected and can be opened and viewed by anyone. Naturally, we wouldn't want this information to fall into the wrong hands, so protecting such PDFs with a password should be the ideal step. In today's quick guide, I'll show you 2 ways to protect your PDF files both online and offline. If you are using the internet, you can take an advantage of Adobe website as it has some useful tools to manage your PDF. To get started, head to the website and scroll down to the bottom right corner of the page. You'll notice a Protect PDF tool. Click on it and upload your file. Then create a strong password and click Set Password. Once this process is complete, you can test it out by using the password. The benefit of using this method is that you can protect your PDF files on any device that has an internet connection without having the need for an additional software. This makes it a convenient and easy to use option for anyone who needs to secure their files. Now, Adobe has some limitations on their website, so you may choose to do this on any other popular website offering this feature. I understand that some people may have privacy concerns and may not want to upload their private documents to a third-party website. In such cases, using a PDF editing software can be a viable alternative. One such software is PDF Gear, which offers a range of features for free that are normally available for a price. To begin, open the PDF file that you want to protect in PDF Gear. Next, click on Tools tab and select the password feature. Type in a strong password and click Save. Remember to do this, otherwise the document protection feature will not work. Next time, anyone that tries to open it will have to use the password to access it. It's that simple. With these methods, you can stay assured that your PDF files are secure and protected from unwanted access. I hope this video was useful. Please do give it a like as it helps to reach a wider audience. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.